And when Oregon does hit that 70% threshold, many are wondering the state's guidelines in the workplace and what they'd look like.
Yeah, the Oregon Occupational Safety and Health Administration is responsible for regulating workplace safety. Currently, there is a permanent mask mandate for workplaces, but OSHA has said they will repeal that mask mandate at the right time. Joining us live from Oregon OSHA is Aaron Corvin. Good morning to you.
Good morning. It's good to be with you.
Yeah, good to see you. So I think a lot of people, a lot of employees here at Coin included, thought, okay, we're vaccinated, double vaccinated. We can show proof of our vaccine, just like they're saying when customers go to businesses, and we won't have to wear masks. But that's not the case with the OSHA work policy. So how did OSHA come to decide that there is still this mask mandate in place for the workers of businesses?
You know, at the time, we were really all about reducing those risks through our rules. So when we extended our rule, which began essentially as a temporary rule, it was about keeping, those expectations in place for employers. But now we're in a shift, as you mentioned earlier, with the reopening of the economy. And that shift is also prompted, quite frankly, by the effectiveness of vaccines and the rate that we're seeing. We're headed in a positive direction. And so from the Oregon OSHA perspective, and in line with the governor's announcement, we intend to remove the basic distancing and face covering requirements in our rule. We won't do that before we reach that threshold, but we do have that target there, and that's where we're moving. And it's really tied to the positive trend we see with vaccination rate.
And Aaron, you and I have talked a lot about this as we've been, moving through all of these changes. But for folks who aren't as familiar with OSHA, can you explain to them how OSHA works? Do they follow Oregon Health Authority policy exclusively, or does it act independently, just so they can have an idea of what to expect moving forward?
You bet. So to a large extent, what Oregon OSHA is doing with its rule is reflective of Oregon Health Authority guidance. And that guidance, which we enforce in the workplace right now with respect to COVID-19. Our rule does incorporate some other provisions that we expect employers to follow. For example, ventilation requirements, making sure you're optimizing your ventilation system. We also have some other notification and training requirements in our rule. So those kind of work in tandem, but to a large extent, our rule really does reflect the Oregon Health Authority guidance, and it's really what we've been enforcing all along.
Okay, so after the state reopens, after we hit that 70% mark, can employers still mandate masks even when you guys, remove that mandate?
That's a great point. So it's worth noting again that once we reach that threshold, we're going to be rewriting our rule in a way that essentially removes the basic face covering and distancing measures and sees those go away. But at the same time, we are going to have some provisions in place for employers. We're still going to have some things that will stay in place, but again, those distancing and face covering requirements, we're going to be rewriting those as part of this process where we're no longer enforcing them. At the same time, and that will, I should add, apply to any workplace. At the same time, however, there are exceptions. So for example, in line with federal guidance, healthcare settings, for example, that's an exemption. Airports, that's an exemption. And it's true, to your point, that employers certainly could have their own face covering and distancing measures in place. It would not preclude employers from going forward in that way if they wanted to.
Aaron Corvin, thank you so much. He's from, again, Oregon OSHA. We appreciate the information and clearing things up as we move through this vaccine rollout.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
And Clark County Public